Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to purchase diamonds on Likee. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Likee application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Likee if you already hadn't done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So basically in the bottom of the screen, we have everything about your profile. We have the messages. We have the big black and white button where you can go and put your own content on, the explore, and we have the For You page at the end. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and purchase diamonds on Likee. So it is pretty simple guys. What you of course need to do is go and click on the diamond enumeration. So basically you need to go and click there on the application. After that, when you clicked there guys, what you need to do, the second thing is to enter your Likee ID. So go find your Likee ID, which is, as you can see here, I have it in front of my name. You have it there, and go of course and click on there to go and upload the ID. Check out and select your payment method. Of course, do not forget to do that. Check out your payment method. You have to of course buy it to do it. And guys, once the payment made, the Likee diamond you purchase will be credited to your Likee account shortly. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.